All right, guys, this is your homework for week 21. This is your reading homework. You're going to be reading about an African American. His name is George Washington Carver. Okay. Make sure you read the questions, you read the text, you read the questions, you read the text, and answer the questions. Okay. There's questions on the second page and also on the third page. Okay. And then you won't have spelling homework this week. You're just having reading homework, and then also some math, and then just make sure that you're reading your AR books. Hold on. Okay, well, here's one more sheet that says label the fractions between 0 and 1. Okay. So I like this one because it gives you a little picture. What's my denominator for number 4? Yes, my denominator is going to be 4 or fourths. Okay, from 0 to here, I get 1/4, then 2/4, 3/4. You'll do the same thing for number 3. Instead of fourths, though, you have thirds. The number at the bottom is going to be the same for all of these right here. Okay? And then 5, 6, and 7, and 8, you got to use the number line to answer the questions. It says what fraction is represented by each point. Okay, so here, my denominator is what? 8s. So this is 8s, 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 and 8s. So point A, obviously, all of these are going to be 8s. So point A is represented by, from here to here is 1, so it's going to be 1/8. And then so forth and so on. I'm going to do 6, 7, 8, and then 9 at the bottom. Okay. Like for example, Jamal spent 3/4. So if I label the number line from 0 to the first, from here to here, okay, it's going to be 1/4. Then from here to here is going to be 2/4. And then from here to here to here is going to be 3/4. The question says Jamal spent 3/4 of his allowance on the number line. Label the fraction that represents 3/4. So that would be that fraction. And then you got to do the same thing for 10. You got to label that number line and number 11 as well. And then on the other side, label each unknown fraction. Okay. So each one of these is 1/6. Okay. This is 1/6, and so is this. Okay. But the line right here is 1/6. Okay. So that's 1/6. And how many jumps did I make? That's 2. Whoops. Yeah, 1/6. Sorry. This would be 2/6, so forth, so on. Okay. But in between here, they just want the unit fraction, which is going to be the same thing. So 5, I have 1/3. This is going to be the same thing, 1/3 as well. Then 6, 7, 8 says label the fractions on the number line between 0 and 1. You see the little picture of 1? All of these equals 1. For each one of these, your denominator is the bottom on the number on the bottom. The number on the bottom. So this should be 2. All of these right here should be fourths. And then number 8. 9 says write the point that represents each fraction, 2/6. Okay. So from 0, I'm counting how many. This one tells you how many hops I'm going to need. 1, 2. So what letter is this? You're right, C. And then do number 4. Yeah. Don't forget homework's due on Monday. Sorry, not Monday. Homework is due Friday.